The 2025 Subaru Forester Hybrid arrives as the first electrified member of Subaru's beloved compact SUV family. Known for its rugged capability and attainable price, the Forester has long stood out for pairing a rugged all-wheel drive system with sensible packaging that comfortably handles daily commutes, weekend mountain treks, and everything in between. For 2025, Subaru not only redesigned the Forester from the ground up but also introduced a hybrid version that boasts 14 more horsepower than its gasoline-only sibling and returns an extra 6 miles per gallon in combined city and highway driving. Having spent a week behind the wheel of the limited hybrid around Washington, D.C., I found that these gains translate into a noticeably peppier and more refined driving experience. Subaru offers the 2025 Forester in 6 gasoline trims: Base, Premium, Sport, Wilderness, Limited, and Touring, while the hybrid is available in 4: Premium, Sport, Limited, and Touring. My test vehicle was the Limited Hybrid, which steps up with 18-inch wheels, StarTech synthetic leather seats, heated front seats, a panoramic moonroof, and an 11-speaker Harman Kardon audio system paired with a fully digital driver display. Interior colors are fixed by exterior hue. For example, choosing River Rock Pearl outside pairs with an all-black cabin at a starting price of $41,225 with only the $395 paint option extra. The Limited Hybrid carves out a niche between affordability and premium features. One of the most striking attributes of the Forester, hybrid or not, is its visibility. Thanks to a high greenhouse and low beltline, this SUV provides one of the clearest sightlines on the road today. Modern vehicles often sacrifice outward vision for thicker roof pillars, taller hoods, and boxier styling, potentially compromising collision avoidance. The Forester retains a commanding view all around, making lane changes, parking maneuvers, and scouting off-road routes less of a guessing game. Beneath the hood, the hybrid's boxer-style engine sits low in the chassis, contributing to the model's sure-footed handling and planted feel. The dual powertrains combine for 194 horsepower, up from 180 in the gas-only Forester, and the electric motor's instant torque delivery gives neighborhood accelerations a delightful springiness. While this isn't a sports car by any measure, the Forester Hybrid matches the mid-SUV segment leaders such as the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4 in off-the-line confidence. A minor quirk is the CVT's soft whine, audible when the cabin is otherwise silent. It's easily masked by radio tunes but can catch you off guard if you're expecting complete quiet. Inside, the Forester Hybrid's cabin remains practical more than flashy. An 11.6-inch infotainment touchscreen anchors the dash. Its high placement helps keep eyes forward, though occasional lag in response reminds you this system isn't the quickest. Cargo space shrinks marginally compared to the non-hybrid model, yet I still managed to squeeze in bulky items from a recent clean-out project with room to spare. Rear seat legroom stays competitive, though taller passengers may feel a tad cozy on longer journeys. The financial trade-off for hybrid technology comes into focus when comparing prices. The Limited Hybrid, including delivery fees, starts around $42,430, nearly $3,000 more than the gasoline-only Limited. Government estimates peg annual fuel savings at roughly $250, meaning it would take over a decade of typical driving to recoup that premium in gas alone. For drivers prioritizing reduced emissions and extra oomph, the hybrid version is a compelling step forward. For those chasing $for-dollar fuel savings, the math favors the traditional Forester. All told, the 2025 Subaru Forester